Have you ever heard of moon juice? I also had never heard of moon juice, but I'm gonna try moon juice and let you know what I think. Do it for the tube. So moon juice is this Hollywood fad, and I bought a few packets online. It's quite expensive if you get the whole like jar of it. So I just bought a few packets of it, and I decided to go with brain dust. There's all kinds of different types, but brain dust was the one that seemed like it would be the best and most beneficial for me, and it's supposed to help combat the effects of stress to align with the cosmic flow for great achievement. And I need great achievement in my life. And it says here that you're just supposed to add it to coffee, tea, milk, water, or a smoothie. So I'm actually like trying to drink a gallon of water today. So I'm gonna add this into some water and just down it and let you know if I feel any effects from this brain dust. As you can see from their website, they've got a full variety of concoctions here. They've got beauty dust, they've got brain dust, sex dust, power dust, dream dust, all kinds of fun things. Oh, and spirit dust. And because I can't pronounce most of these words, I thought I'd show you the description of what is inside. There's ginkgo and a bunch of other things that I cannot pronounce. But you can also see from the website that the benefits are neuroprotective, speedy processing, alertness and concentration, stamina and clarity, health and blood flow, and then energy function, which is all stuff that I'd love to have. And so hopefully this stuff really works like they say it does. Definitely, if one of those sound interesting to you, I would encourage you to go on the website and maybe read more about it. But I have no idea how I'm gonna feel using this. So here we go. So I've got my beat up Yeti. Oh my gosh, I love this thing, I'm obsessed. But I always carry my ice water in here. And so I'm just gonna add it to my water that I started for the day and go from there. But let's open this packet first. I have a feeling I'm gonna be grossed out by the flavor. Do you guys do this? So, it doesn't smell awful. It smells a little bit fruity-ish, kind of. Chocolatey, I don't know. Can you see that? So I'm gonna put that inside my water here. And then you can see it in there. So I'm just gonna mix it in, have a drink. Okay, I figured you probably wanted to know what it tastes like. It was kind of hard to mix in. Maybe it's because it's ice water. Maybe it would have done better in like a warmer thing. I don't know. So here's my first taste. Oh. That is not, I'm not a fan. Oh, that's sick. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to finish this. I will finish it. Do it for the tube of yous. Holy cow, it's really disgusting. It's really disgusting. I'm gonna have to like plug my nose and down this. Oh my gosh, it's gross. I can't get the flavor out. I'm gonna need to, ooh, I need to wash it out with something. Ugh. I definitely had to plug my nose, but it still has like the worst after. Oh my gosh, it's so gross. Okay, well, I'll let you know how it goes. I am still like struggling. I really feel like, I finished it, but like the flavor, ugh, I like feel like I want to throw up. It's really, really, I can't even explain the flavor. It's really bad. It's making me really struggle. Like I feel super nauseous. So folks, I spent the day with my brain power yesterday and am no smarter. Still made a whole lot of stupid brainy mistakes and obviously got a little dumber because I'm not even making sense right now. That stuff ruined my life. Okay, that's dramatic. But that flavor was so awful, and I felt like I got absolutely no benefit from it. And so I just drank something really, really nasty, just, you know, for nothing. So if you feel like you got a different experience, I'd love to hear it. Brain dust, see, I can't remember what it's called anymore. Was it moon dust, moon powder, brain dust, brain powder, brain power, brain stuff? It did nothing for me, nothing. I would love for you to subscribe, stick around, inspire me for more. I have so many ideas coming, so many fun things that I'm gonna try and do. I'm really, really loving this. Thank you so much for all the support that I've gotten so far. I appreciate you so much, and see you soon.